I mean, that's it. It's about full-time learning, real-time learning. The thing we talk about all the time now is micro learning. This is a micro learning monster. You can use this thing in 1, 2, 3 minute hops. And I'm telling you, with my folks in my PhD classes, you would think, oh no, we got to read 5,000 pages this week and then, post 17,000 words on this or that. And you know what? In 1 or 2 or 3 minutes with a micro module on social media, I can get across points if I have 10 of those or if I have 15 of those. And then they are taking it and using it in their work. And that's what's so exciting about this is we've now found a way to teach, which allows others to teach and share information, whatever they're trying to do with community or what have you. So I think demonstrating its use then provides a vehicle for them to use it for their benefit, however that works.
And I think one of the things we need to also bring to a little to attention here is social media doesn't just mean Facebook and Twitter and Instagram and TikTok. It also means YouTube. And YouTube, from my point of view, I use YouTube all the time. It's where I find my information. I go there to Google things. I use YouTube. I YouTube it instead these days. I watch YouTube more than I watch any other medium in terms of, I don't watch television necessarily. I watch YouTube. And I love to teach small modules of information, small bits of information through modules on YouTube. So, I teach some writing on YouTube, and I teach a few of various different things about marketing and management and things like that on YouTube in micro modules. And on our channel, we also have created some micro modules and teach that way. So YouTube is a place that is considered social media that, I mean, there's so much that you can do with YouTube and micro learning and training and teaching.